I hope all are you good. Guys, welcome to Tulsi Tech in Creative. Guys, today topic is how to store the artifacts in Nexus repository. Guys, I have already done in how to install Nexus, how to open the Nexus browser. Yesterday class I have already done, guys. See this. Yesterday topics is what is Nexus, why Nexus, how to install Nexus. These are all topics yesterday I have already done, guys. Today topics is how to store the artifacts in Jenkins to Nexus, how to create the Nexus repository, how to require the plugins, Nexus platform and Nexus artifact uploader, how to configure the Nexus server in Jenkins, how to create config and Maven job in Nexus platform, how to build the artifacts in Nexus repository. These are all topics today I will complete it, guys. Guys, first of all, please subscribe the channel and like the channel, comment the channel, and don't forget in bell icon, guys. Guys, first topic is how to store the artifacts in Jenkins to Nexus. Guys, I definitely do it in practically, but please remember the topic names. Store the artifacts in Jenkins repository. How to create the Nexus repository. Guys, I see it open in AWS, my AWS account. Open the AWS console and sign in the console. Go to EC2. Under EC2 running instance, start the Nexus. Guys, remember Nexus server is chargeable. Run the Nexus server. And config the SSH key, public IP address. Go to my PEM file. This is my PEM file. Open git bash and connect the Nexus server. SSH I PEM file Ubuntu root of IP address connected. Then start the Nexus server. Yesterday I will do it the commands. Remember the commands. These commands are start the Nexus, sudo systemctl enable Nexus and sudo systemctl start the Nexus. These commands remember, guys. Connected definitely. Nexus commands. Go to sudo cd/opt cd nexus and go to this command cd nexus cd bin soft link. Don't miss an yesterday video, guys. First of all, watch that video and then go to this video. You understand and be end to end point. How to start and how to running in server. Yesterday I will done it, guys. Please go through that video first and then sudo systemctl enable nexus sudo the nexus sudo started, guys. Once check it started or not. Status, yes, successfully started, guys. Run the nexus server. Copy the public IP address and paste it, guys. Remember default port in 8081 in nexus. Successfully run an nexus repository. Open nexus manager and sign in the nexus repository. By default username is admin, password is, see this, guys, this /opt sonar type work nexus 3. This place store the password, guys. Go to copy this path under admin password. Copy this path, connect, paste it here and enter. Yes, guys, this is a password in nexus under this one. Control insert, copy this password and paste it here. Control V. Guys, username is admin and password is this path. Is go to this path and show this password and sign in. Yes, guys, sign in. Then ever, guys, you set up the new password and your nexus repository. I set the admin in username, password is Tulasi, password do not match. already default admin. Password is Tulsi. Next, unable to access. Next, finish. Once check your password or correct or not, and sign in and sign out. Next, sign in admin. Username is admin. Password is Tulsi. Yes guys, successfully done in new password setup. And how to create the repository. See this guys, today topics: start the Nexus server and how to create the Nexus repository. See this, go to Nexus server and go to setting option. This third one is repositories, so open the repositories. See this guys, create the repository. Click on the create repository. Select the, I am doing in Maven project guys. Select the Maven hosted and write the repository name. Maven project. Maven project on online and tick mark. Version is, new version is released. Storage and default storage. Cleanup and filter. And then go to create repository. Yes guys, repository updated in Maven project. Successfully created the Maven repository guys. See this and go to browser, browse the Maven project. Yeah, see this guys, this is created Maven project, and upload this Jenkins, configure the Jenkins in Nexus and upload the artifact and store this place in artifacts. I definitely do it in guys. Go to my EC2 instance, start the Jenkins server guys. I definitely do it in next video in how to install Jenkins. I definitely do it guys. Next video I will how to install the Jenkins, how to configure the Jenkins. Definitely I will do it guys. Open my Jenkins server, running the server. And then select my Tomcat server also. Run the my Tomcat server. Your clarification, run the Tomcat server also. Yeah, my Jenkins server is running, and copy the IP address and paste this IP address. Jenkins port is 8080. Run the Jenkins server and go to Tomcat. Tomcat also I will do this guys definitely, and next and further videos. Don't miss it. And run the Tomcat server also and copy the IP and default. I run the Tomcat server in 9999. Now first of all run the Tomcat. Connect the IP address in git bash. From the Tomcat server first of all. cd tomcat to the bin folder. Run the Tomcat server sh startup.sh. Successfully run the Tomcat. Then open the Apache Tomcat server. Password is Tulsi. Your password, guys. Tulsi 8 Yes, successfully open the Tomcat server. Yes, how to integrate the Nexus to Tomcat Jenkins to Nexus repository. How to deploy the artifacts in Nexus to Jenkins to Nexus repository. My Jenkins password is C9951. Open the Jenkins server. Yeah, first of all, install the see this. First of all, install the required plugins. One is Nexus platform and another one is Nexus artifact and uploader. Go to the manage Jenkins and under manage Jenkins go to manage plugins. Go to the available section. I have already installed, guys. Your case in available section. Nexus, first of all, first install in Nexus platform and Nexus artifact store and plugins. See this Nexus. See this, guys. These are all two plugins installed: Nexus artifact uploader and Nexus platform plugin. Install and without restart, and click on the and install the plugins and go to the configurations. How to configure the Nexus repository to in Jenkins. How to configure the Nexus server in Jenkins. Go to manage Jenkins. Under configure system, open the configure system. Under configuration, go to the see this, guys, Nexus sonar type Nexus, and add the sonar. I select the Nexus repository thing. Display the name. Given any name, guys. Tulsi Kumar. Manage Jenkins and configure system. Under configure, select the sonar server. Display name anywhere and server ID anywhere, guys, your choice. And server Nexus server URL. What is the URL in Nexus? This is URL in Nexus. Copy the URL and paste it here. Then add the credential guys, Nexus credential, and go to the credential, add the credential, username is admin and password is Tulsi. Then add the credential, definitely add the credential and select the credential admin. Then once is completed, display name, server ID and server URL and credential once is done, and test the configurations success or not. Text it, yes is success, access repository connection success, and go to the apply and save the configuration. Once configuration is done, and create the one Maven project. Choose one Maven project in Nexus project and go to the configuration. Under configuration, select the git credential and Bitbucket credential, select it, git and paste it here, and go to the build section, clean the package in Maven Goal, then go to post steps, select the Nexus repository manager publisher, then select this and Nexus instance is Tulsi Kumar and Nexus repository. My case is create the one Maven project. See this guys, create Maven project and select the Maven project. I don't write in tag name. Then definitely select in Maven package, write the group and artifact ID. My case, selecting anywhere guys, your choice, and artifacts, and my case is select the group consumer banking, then artifact, an artifact is string string. Your case any name you given guys. Version is 1.1. then package is var package, var file deploy, and add the artifacts path. Machine should be add the artifact path guys, then should be any file you deployed and add the definitely path. This path added. See this guys, this path /var /lib and Jenkins workspace Nexus name and target, and go to the crux.var. I see it. What is the path? Apply and save it. Go to the run in Jenkins path, go to configurations. See this guys, /var /lib /Jenkins. This is run the Jenkins, then run the Maven project and go to the workspace and go to the target and crux.var. This is two cases, add the path guys. Go to the Nexus project and configure. Go to under post steps, package is group consuming artifact string version 1.1 package, and add the path in slash where slash lib and Jenkins dot where I ordered this path. Yeah, slash where Jenkins workspace Nexus project name and target goal and go to the test.jQuery. Then go to post build actions, select the deploy to where and container Tomcat server, and context path is your choice, any name given, any name, and select the Tomcat version. I select the Tomcat 7. Add the credential and Tomcat server. My case running in Tomcat server. This server. Control C and add this server, and then definitely successfully completed configuration guys. Then apply and save and build the job. See what happens. Go to console output, run the establishment socket, run the Maven goal, and run goals, stop deploying. Yes guys, see this successfully stored in WAR file. Once check it, once refresh it. Then see this guys, successfully accessing your case, and this is a WAR file. See this guys, this is a WAR file. You definitely Jenkins also you store this, and also Docker also, and Ansible also definitely deploy the WAR files in Nexus repository. This is WAR file, and see this WAR file path and copy this path, and anywhere you can, any person you given, and definitely working in any projects. Yes guys, this is how to deploy the WAR file in Jenkins to Nexus. I hope all are understanding this video. Please like and share and subscribe guys. Don't forget the bell icon. Definitely next video I install the Jenkins server, and then after I install the Tomcat server. Definitely do it guys. Please like and share guys. Thank you. Bye.